For this video, I will demonstrate how to update an existing graphical field map to use in OpenRoads plans production. First, I want to create a new file. I'll give my file a name, field map. Make sure I'm using the correct seed file. This project is in the west coordinate system. I want to use a 2D seed file. Next, we want to reference in our old 3D graphical field map. We want to turn off some of the levels of these points before we merge. Next, we will merge these elements into our 2D file. Merge into master. Click inside the screen. First thing I like to try to do is to correct the property lines. Use my select by attributes tool. Select all in the types. And for the level, I'll choose property line. Hit execute. Now I'll navigate to my change element attributes, and I'll navigate to the appropriate element template, existing property line, left click to accept. Next, I want to correct the section and quarter section lines, and I'll go through a very similar process. Next, we want to try to correct some of the line styles for our utilities, such as our overhead electric, gas regulators, pole anchors, etc. If you want to do a more in-depth search, it's good to turn off a lot of the levels that you don't necessarily need to see at any given time. So I want to correct this line style. Then I'll turn my levels back on. Next, we'll correct our woods lines and other items on our topo map. Next, we'll change the line style on our unpaved driveways. Next, we'll modify our existing guardrail. Change the line style of our existing pipes. Some of these elements that you see here are like high point ridge line or toe of slope elements. If you don't want to see any of these in your plans production, go through selection method and in the properties, change the class from primary to construction. Once we are finished correcting the line styles, our map should look something similar to this. In another video, we're going to take this field map and reference a terrain and set it active, and I will show y'all how to featureize some of these graphical elements. And this concludes our video.